Hey everybody, this is Eli Freestone, and you're watching my Project 1 review video for Mobile Development Frameworks 1, Term 1309. So for this week, I did an album tracker app, and it's just to track different albums by different bands, uh, displaying the band name and the album name in a table view, and then you can go to a detailed view page that gives a little bit more info. So let's go ahead and do a quick walkthrough of the code here. For my pseudo data source, I went ahead and created 4 NS mutable arrays within my viewDidLoad inside viewController.m. And those arrays are the band name, the album title, the release date, specifically the year of release for the album, and then the country of origin for the band. The second two are only available in the detailed view, so it's just the band name and the album title within the table view. So we're creating the custom cells for each cell of the table view, and we're also using the reuse method with the static cell identifier. And then also when you click on one of the table view cells, it actually brings up the detail view, and then we loop through and display the information for that. I also added in the band name, album name, year released, and country of origin, just for more clarity on that. So yeah, let's go ahead and do a quick run on the iPhone simulator. As of right now, I'm only have this set up for the iPhone. I do have an iPad specific nib, but I haven't had time to create the custom cell specifically for the iPad or the detail view. Both of those are just iPhone at the moment. Another thing that I haven't had time to do, unfortunately, is actually the images for the individual items. I have already collected up all the album covers, but I haven't really had time to work through the logic of how I'm going to attach those to the correct item. I think I'm most likely going to end up having to do some sort of erase the white space between the different words in the album title or something along those lines, and then name the images accordingly. So yeah, let's go ahead and do an edit real quick. We'll go ahead and delete Shinedown, us, and them. And scroll back down to show that it's gone. And then we'll go ahead and click on Disharmonia Mundi, the fragments of degeneration. Again, because I haven't been able to work through the logic of how I'm going to attach the covers of the albums, it's still just my icon at the moment. All right, and so yeah, something that a few things that I think I could have done better this week would be specifically time management. This week was a bit of a crunch, and I was able to get the at least the basics of the project done, but I wasn't able to spend a lot of time on the beautification part of it. You know, the layout's pretty bland, and you know, there's some stuff like the images that I wish I would have had time to do. As well as the fact that I haven't set up an iPad version of the custom cell or anything like that. The iPad version stuff I'm actually hoping to work on a little bit after I get this video done, so the turn-in project might actually include those. There was one little warning that I actually had come up that I couldn't figure out for the life of me why, and that's this here. It's saying that I'm the local declaration of table view hides instance variable of table view. But I'm pretty sure this right here, delete rows at index path, is actually an accessor method. So I'm not really, I might just be missing something, but I'm not really sure what that error is all about. So yeah, I guess that's about it. This has been Eli Freestone, and you've been watching Project 1 review video for MDF1, Term 1309. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.